Hello, in this tutorial we are going to go over creating a manually graded item and adding it to a category in Moodle. Manually graded items are nice for when you don't want an item to appear to students in your course, but you still want to be able to grade them on something. So start on the main page of your course, scroll down to the administration block, and click Gradebook Setup. You'll see in Gradebook I already have a category set aside called Manually Graded. You'll go down to the very bottom and click Add Grade Item. In this example, I'm going to make an attendance item. I'm going to make it worth 10 points. And we're going to scroll to the bottom. And here you can see the grade category options. So I'll click this and click Manually Graded, then click Save Changes. And here we are. It's already loaded into the manually graded section.